What's up, everybody? In this highly informative video, we dive into the ISO 22 crypto list, the list of compliant coins and tokens in 2023. This is the full list. You need to know this because the compliant coins and tokens in 2023 are the tokens probably with the least amount of risk associated with them when we talk about the altcoin space. Now, others could be added to this list at some point, but we're going to dive into what we have right now at our disposal. And again, this is a comprehensive list of compliant coins and tokens in 2023. So let's dive in and talk about first ISO and what it means. The standard has gained significant importance in the financial industry, as basically this has been the overall message from the financial institutions and the government in terms of where data exchange between financial institutions can actually take place. While initially developed for traditional financial transactions, they are starting to now expand into the world of cryptocurrency, slowly, but I'll bet surely, right? Now, ISO 2022 brings standardization and interoperability to the crypto space. Interoperability means communicating amongst different blockchains, ensuring smoother communication between various platforms and participants. So, let's dive into each and every crypto that is compliant. Again, ISO 22 is an international standard, not just in the United States, not just in one part of the world. International standard for financial messaging that provides a common language and structure for the exchange of electronic data between financial institutions and systems like SWIFT that we're currently using. The goal here is to replace the multitude of different messaging formats and protocols in the standard approach. By adopting ISO 2022, financial institutions can then streamline their operations, reduce complexity, and improve the accuracy and reliability of data exchanging back and forth. So, crypto projects that are compliant can seamlessly integrate into the traditional financial system pretty easily. It's worth noting that not all institutions have adopted the requirements to be ISO 22 ready yet. According to a Forbes report from earlier this year, about 72% of banks are 22 compliant. The institutions that haven't yet taken the steps to become compliant will have until 2025 to do so. It's also worth mentioning that an ISO 22 compliant coin could be considered a misnomer, as the coin or token itself is not compliant. Instead, what we mean when referring to a project as compliant is that it leverages some of the messaging language defined by the standard that we already have. So, with that being said, let's dive into the list of the top cryptos and the comprehensive list of compliant cryptos that we have out there right now. So let me make my box a little bit smaller here and we can take a look at those right above me. This is the full list, guys. We have XRP, we have Quant, we have Algorand, we have Stellar, we have HBAR, we have IOTA, and XDC. Now, in the following sections, we're going to take a look at these individually. Some of the key features, what makes them unique. Now, we know about XRP. Of course, we've heard about it, right? It acts as a bridge currency and facilitates liquidity between different fiat currencies. That's why it's so great for cross-border payments. Ripple continues to build its global payment settlement infrastructure as well. Adopting the ISO 22 standard becomes essential. The XRP ledger can already handle up to 1,500 transactions per second. It's fast and it's cheap for cross-border payments. It uses cost and energy-efficient XRP ledger consensus protocol as well. Ripple has already established huge partnerships with traditional financial institutions, including the Bank of America and Santander Bank. Now, how about Quant? What makes Quant unique? Well, this blockchain is interoperable, allowing different blockchains to communicate with each other. That's what makes Quant so different. By adopting the standard, Quant aims to enhance its compatibility with traditional financial systems and facilitate the secure exchange of information between different networks. It's governed by a decentralized body of stakeholders already. It already has a strong number of users and developers in the ecosystem. How about Algorand? Well, Algorand can enhance its compatibility with traditional financial systems. It can be used to send and receive payments quickly and easily. It supports dApps already, decentralized applications. It uses a type of proof of stake mechanism right now, which is very energy efficient. How about Stellar XLM? Probably the one that's best suited for microtransactions. That's ISO 22 compliant. Stellar could enhance its capabilities to facilitate more cross-border transactions and improve communication with traditional financial systems. And it can help serve the unbanked. Stellar focuses on financial inclusion and has partnerships with huge organizations already. It can be used to build dApps. It uses a unique consensus mechanism called SCP, or Stellar Consensus Protocol. How about HBAR, Hedera Hashgraph? A little bit different than blockchains. It's used to pay for transactions on its own network, Hedera Hashgraph network. Hedera can enhance its compatibility with traditional financial systems, allowing for more seamless integration of dApps with existing infrastructure. This move could hugely impact the Hedera network. Very energy efficient as well. Hedera Hashgraph supports smart contracts already and dApps. How about IOTA? These transactions do not require any fees. That is making it very, very interesting, and it's already ISO 22 compliant. It can ensure standardized and secure data transfers between the Internet of Things devices, enabling seamless integration of IOTA into the broader IoT infrastructure. And lastly, it's XDC Network. They were at the conference I was just back out in Toronto. They can handle up to 2,000 transactions per second. They're designed to be compliant with regulatory requirements, and they can be used to track the movement of goods and materials through the supply chain, a huge area that's ripe for adoption when it comes to crypto and blockchain. The bottom line is ISO 22 compliant digital assets could really help bridge the gap between traditional finance and crypto. So if you got some value out of this video, make sure you guys smash the like button down below and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.